Today I will show you how you can run two closed circuit cameras on a single Cat 6 cable. It is a very conservative way to connect cameras over a long distance. So please watch the video till the end and comment which part you didn't understand. At first, we have to identify the camera position according to the distance of the wire. Being that set, we will get three ends of the wire, two for cameras and one for recorder. A Cat 6 cable has four pairs of wire, so we will take two pairs for cameras and one pair for power. After splicing the cables and identifying the input and grounding points, we will connect the BNC and power connectors. I am using a normal BNC and DC connector. You can use any quality or standard as you like. Insulation is a very vital process. Now the moment of truth. We have successfully tested the cameras, so please like and subscribe our channel if you found this video useful. Thank you.